Hi guys, so today we're going to change some exhaust rubber mounts on a Citroen AX. So here's my new ones. Underneath you can see the old ones. So this one I'm holding up with a cable tie, it's all perished, and this one is nearly gone as well. So we're going to change them over. The only thing I've noticed is the older ones look slightly bigger than the newer ones. Let's see what happens though. This old one off. So yeah, this one's totally perished. Put a new one on. Need to get it over that little bit of metal there, that little hook, and feed it through the hole. That's a bit tight, but it's going on. Now, a little tip that I probably should have done is put a little bit of washing up liquid on the rubber to make it more easy to move around. I've not done that this time. I should have done really. Alright, and I'll see if I get that other end on. Okay, there's one on. Now to the other one. Okay, I've now fitted the other mount on there. So we've got two new rubber mounts on the exhaust, and that's holding up nicely. Alright, cheers guys for watching.